Hi, I am Harshita Punyani and I make videos about productivity and self-love. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to talk about something that is one of the most ignored yet the most important aspects of ourselves. And I don't think that a lot of people are talking about this right now. This is, ladies and gentlemen, self-love. We begin loving our parents since the day we are born, and we begin loving our friends since we meet them. But do you think that you love yourself enough? I asked some of my close friends to share with me what is their idea of self-love. But before you find out what they have got to share, please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel so that I can keep making more of such videos. Let's just get started.
Guys, मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था और सुना भी था कि loving yourself is a never ending process, and I think मैं इस बात से 100% agree करती हूँ और इस बात पे believe भी करती हूँ. And I think I just love myself, and मेरा जो self love का idea है वो सिर्फ इतना सही है that I need to accept myself, that's it. अगर मैं खुद को एक्सेप्ट कर सकती हूँ, अपने हर फ्लॉ को, अपने हर अचीवमेंट को, अपनी हर गलती को, अपनी हर अच्छी चीज़ को, तो आई थिंक कि मैं खुद से प्यार कर सकती हूँ.
बचपन से ही आई हैड दिस थिंग इन मी कि आई डोंट स्टैंड आउट, आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग स्पेशल, मैं इतना सब कुछ डिजर्व नहीं करती हूँ, मेरे अंदर ऐसा क्या है जो बाकी सब में नहीं है. आई ऑलवेज फेल्ट कि I'm worthless. It came to such an extent कि मैं स्टेज पे जब चढ़ती थी I was so underconfident कि मैं कांपने लगती थी. Once it so happened कि पूरे स्कूल ने नोटिस करा कि I was shaking badly, I was sweating, I was shaking. प्रिंसिपल तक ने नोटिस किया. And that's the thing about it. जब आप अपने आप को प्यार नहीं करते हो ना तो लोगों को आपकी वीकनेस दिख जाती है and they start pinning you down. And it happened with me also. People started bringing me down. That's when I decided कि I'm not going to take this anymore and I'm going to start loving myself. And trust me, since that day there's been no looking back. I've performed in shows, performed in front of hundreds of people, and अब मुझे डर भी नहीं लगता. Everyone is like कहाँ से लाते हो इतना confidence? And I just say self love से.
You have to love yourself, चाहे आप में कितने भी flaws हों. Like मैंने ये self love तब सीखा when I was in BCom, like I was in my graduation. It was like मैं बहुत मोटी थी. I have a hairy body. तो उस चक्कर में ये क्या होता था कि मैंने अपने आप से कभी प्यार किया ही नहीं था. स्कूल टाइम तक मैं ये सोचती थी कि मैं बहुत गंदी दिखती हूँ, मैं बहुत अलग हूँ सबसे, कि मैं कभी सुंदर नहीं दिख सकती. बट ये चीज़ एक मेरे अंदर तब आई जब मेरी मदर ने मेरे को समझाया कि आप चाहे जो मर्ज़ी हो, आप अपने आप को खुद को प्यार करो, तभी आपको और चीज़ें भी अच्छी लगेगी. तो आपके अंदर जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, चाहे कुछ भी है, कोई भी चीज़ है, उसको एक्सेप्ट करो, दिल से एक्सेप्ट करो. दैट इज सेल्फ लव.
My idea of self-love is loving myself the way I am. No matter if somebody else loves me for the person I am, means adoring myself and living my life to the fullest. And sometimes when I have a bad day, I love, loving myself with the ways that are acknowledging my achievements, spending time with my family. It gives me a lot of joy and it makes me happy. Self-love is happiness to me. It varies from person to person. It is something very subjective.
So during my entire teenage, I used to always dream about having a perfect body, a perfect skin, a perfect voice. Whereas now I realize that self-love is not about pushing yourself to perfection. It's all about embracing your own self and realizing that you might have flaws and accepting them. Because when you have self-love for yourself, the confidence it brings to you is amazing. The confidence is what makes you beautiful. But self-love is not comparing yourself to anybody and think I can be like her. No, but self-love is about embracing that yes, I am me. My flaws defines who I am. And at the end, I think self-love is all about knowing that you're flawed, but that you're still worthy enough.
For me, self-love is mind, body and soul. Whereas mind says, be honest with yourself. Clearly, you cannot love your entire messy self where you are lying, minimizing or making excuses. Body says, love your body, else your body stops loving you. Try indulging yourself in regular physical activity like yoga or workout. It might not seem important right now, but later your body will thank you. Soul says, meditate. I feel meditation reconnect our soul to ourselves.
Please others doesn't call self-love. And yes, if you can't love yourself, you cannot love other people. And self-love cannot define in some words or some lines. It have huge meaning. Like self-love is something not sacrificing your happiness. It's something just think which is ethical and benefit for you. Think it shows the right path for your goals.
एक पंजाबी च कहा जाता है कि तुसी अपने आप तो संतुष्ट होने चाहिए हो, लोग तो रब तो भी दुखी हैं, राइट? सो तुसी अपने आप को सैटिस्फाई होने चाहिए हो, तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए तुसी कित्थे स्टैंड करते हो, तुसी की कुछ कर सकते हो, बस अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट करो, अपने आप को प्यार करो.
I got a friend who actually helped me a lot in loving myself, and he actually gave me a little practical tip that whenever someone asks you how are you just have to reply beautiful, and subconsciously that just get into my mind, my heart, and everywhere from inside I just start feeling beautiful, and the whole world changed for me. Everything like beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
So the day when you will unapologetically accept the way you are, and because you have dealt with so many things in the past people have no idea about, and you're still standing strong. So never stop loving yourself, and never stop complimenting yourself first, because if you do that, so the day you will start loving yourself completely is the day when all your worries will be over, and keep loving yourself.
The journey of self-love started for me the day I stopped doing things for others and I started doing what I actually liked. I realized that there was no point in impressing others if I could not impress myself. The idea of self-love is pretty simple for me. I have started to accept myself for who I am, both internally and externally, and if there is something that I do not like about me particularly, I'll try to improve that, but I'll never demoralize myself or demotivate myself or do any kind of negative self-talk. Start by loving yourself.
Just start by loving yourself.
I love myself.
I love myself.
I love myself.
My favorite too. I love myself.
Start loving yourself.
I love myself.
Start by loving yourself.
I love myself.